Welcome to ProServe 2012 training videos. This is set 3, creation of recurring services, and a look at the Open-WIP. So what we're going to do in this video is I'm going to show you how to create your work. So we're going to go to Service Creation Recur, and I'm going to select my pest control, and I'm going to change my month to November. And I'm just going to simply select create, and the program's going to read through real quickly. But basically it's generated 151 tickets for the month of November for pest control, for all the work under that. So I'm just going to click Save All. I could refresh or quit without saving anything, but in this case, I'm showing you how to create your recurring work. So we're going to save all. And it's done. Now, if I needed to, I could come back in and, run the recurring work for termite, if I wanted to do that kind of thing. So you can run these things separately because it wouldn't have created any termite under the pest control department. So once I've got that done, I would want to go to my Open-WIP. Now in my Open-WIP, I would change my time frame to get into November, for example. And let's do November 1st through the 10th. So we'll basically generate or print our tickets, for that first week of November. And as you can see, there's 73 tickets there. So I can do a lot of different things from this screen. I can print route sheets from that, which is going to sort by route and give me a total for that route for that week. And then it'll total at the bottom. And then it'll break and go to the next route so that I can have basically a sheet or two sheets per route. I can do the schedule report, which essentially does the same thing. It just it breaks by route, okay, and then totals. And I can print my work tickets. So now in printing the work tickets, it's also going to sort it by route plus the next service date order. That's how it's going to work. So as you can see, my service date there is only 11/1. So the next one's 11/1. The next one's 11/1. The next one's 11/1, and so forth. And so I've got all those jobs that are scheduled for that route on 11/1, and then it jumps to 2. Okay. So I would just either send that to the printer, and most likely that's what you would do. So you just send that to the printer and print all your work tickets for all your routes for that time frame. Now you could tell the program, hey, rather than sort by my route, sort by technician in any one of these reports, printing tickets or reminder notices or the schedule report. So now it's going to sort by technician and group them by technician. Okay. Now if I wanted to, I could just print, I could sort by just a route, okay, or I can enter just a technician code, T0103, which I really ain't changing much here. They're all the same technician. Let's see if there's any 2s. Okay, there we go. I needed to just come out of it, is what the problem was. Okay, so that's basically creating my work for a certain month and then going into Open-WIP and actually printing my work order tickets based on whatever criteria or ever how you would like to, print your tickets. You could go in and just print the whole month. Some people do. Just remove that. And so I got 151 tickets. So that's tickets for the whole month. But that's really up to you how you would like to do that. So if you select none, basically it would sort by, well, you can't print your tickets with none, but you can print the route sheets. So there really is no, let's see how that's working.
Congratulations to Jeff Lover and the fusion of their first Grammy win for 2018 over the album Prototype.
What it's really doing is just printing by service date is what it's really doing. So it's not even, it's just sorting by service date. It's really not breaking down. There's 11-1, 11-1, 11-1. So it's really just printing all the tickets out in service date order. That's really all it's doing. There's 11-5, 11-2 to 11-5, 11-6, as you can see. So that's really what it's doing. There's really no breakdown of it. But if I did the map code, then it would sort these things by the map code, whatever your map code may be. In this case, it's actually the zip code. So this is a way that some people do it because they want to print their tickets out by zip code. So they use the map code to do that. So now I've got all my work laid out, but which is in service date order, but it's by zip code. Okay. Now with these options, notice that you really can't print your work order tickets in that won't function that way. So you have to have route on. And I think what this is going to do is include the map code into your route. Let's see what that does. Yeah, it's exactly what it does. So it's actually going to sort by route plus the zip code. In this case, it's the zip code. So there's a lot of different options of how to print your route sheets and schedule reports and even the work order tickets. So, and if you needed to, you could double click one individual and actually print an individual ticket from this screen as well. Okay. All right. Well, that pretty much concludes this video. Thanks for watching.